The All Progressives Congress APC flag bearer in the November 8 Anambra State governorship election, Nicholas Ukachukwu, had a scheduled session with the Catholic Women Organization (CWO) of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Nnewi. The expansive CWO hall, Our Lady of Assumpta Cathedral, Okuani in Nnewi, was choked with a crowd of CWO members from all the parishes within the Nnewi Catholic Diocese. On arrival, the diocesan chaplain of the CWO in Nnewi Diocese, Reverend Father Patrick S.F. Namba, formally welcomed Nicholas Ukachukwu with a deserved appreciation for finding time for the women in the diocese.
This is CWO members, the Catholic Women Organization of the Diocese, representatives for different towns of the Nnewi Diocese, Catholic Diocese. They are complete here, and we are told that you want to see us, and that is why we have been here this morning waiting for you.
Not eager to waste further time, the excited group of women could not also wait further to hear Ukachukwu speak to them. They went into another song. Nicholas Ukachukwu also began with a marching song to create the deserved ambience. Nicholas Ukachukwu provided the women with a summation of the internally generated revenue (IGR) contributed by the old Nnewi zone put together, yet there has been nothing to show for it in terms of development and government presence in the area.
I have one message, and then the other one about the religion. All the campaign that people with this in God, Jamaica, Bauza, Ambara, Webuta. The road is so terrible. If I can go this local government to the corner, Nnewi North, Nnewi South, they put some push one local government. If I can go and they will take every month on after 1.something billion naira. If I acquire for 3 years, it's over 60 billion. Or Lake Kabayede, Lake Ibrahim. And I wrote Paul and I played with that.
With conviction and commitment, Ukachukwu assured the women of running an administration in the interest of the people if he receives the expected support from the women on November 8.
Makana isheke ya president weneke and the borrow country. I never go for politics, but I'm governor. Once I'm governor, when I'm still spending him, the president, I'm open to say, I don't know where you don't dream.
Ukachukwu expressed his love for Anambra State, describing himself as a highest employer of labor in Anambra State after the state government. Insecurity and government laxity has truncated it.
No problem Anambra were born for Anambra Nanya, where you were Anambra, you make Anambra Dema. Hapo Nambaro, Omoloko, after Anambra State government, more become one highest level, they employ highest level in Anambra State. Most of those factories now are under Makaki. Makaki kidnapped in these factories now, robbed by Mali 6. akwụcha ụgwọ hapụta onye ọgba bukara akpa la agbachie factory ọ bụrụzi Abraham gọvanọ ma mgbali factory mmeje tibe ka sekuriti dịka enwe mgbali factory abụghị factory ọ na-eweta ndị ọzọ na-eme gịnị a na-eweta anyị atọ ọnụ our local government dị Nnewi anyị edozie otu ọsụpụzụ esiri ebe dozie ya ọmara mma mbụrụ gọvanọ Anambra steeti mmiri na-agba na Nnewi na Nnewi onye gọọmenti pọmpụ ọgbata mmiri
Nicholas Ukachukwu identified adequate and effective electricity supply as fundamental to industrialization, and it is the responsibility of government to provide power as part of the enablers to grow the economy.
By God's special grace, more and power plant, generating plant, every day generate to NEPA. Okay, na bias. And the Chukwu in the night gas. Generator no mas na ya melu. And one day we get one of my illustrious son and leader. She tried to say better. How you go to gas? Near now to other part of the states. And with that gas deposit, now whole Nigeria also now the highest 5 biggest deposits of gas in Nigeria. And only last over 500 years. So here we are able, the company who have a road that gas land, or more record side, passing 6, I will passing 6. Passing 6, I will passing 6. If we can check here, ndị mụ na ha road power plant na Bayelsa. Gwara m na ya na-egote gas na Anambra, why na-enwe ọkụ na Anambra? Ikuku ọma na mbụ gọvanọ na ya bịa partner with me. I want 250 megawatts.
Ukachukwu promised to turn agriculture into a money-spinning venture, and by so doing, turn the kidnappers' den into farmlands, while his government shall introduce agri-chain farming system.
All this land ever and turn it, they that or at I am a Patego. We turn it into agri-hub, agri-chain, where we clear the land, prepare it, nampa to the Name family. Near her seed in Ayakuna, what are the Ebibe to wear? What are the Ego and Harrow child? Eko child you oppose the former neighbor business woman. In a way, little Anna. Eba had told the forest guy, little Anna, gave at the time. Macabro governor, a year and a Pagani Moya, when a Pagani Badi, a year for the Moya, and you would have a man. You become a farmer. The shop, they call you
Ukachukwu decried the trend of vote buying and discouraged the women from accepting any kind of inducement on the day of voting, rather to listen to the voice of reason to change things for the better in Anambra State, which time has come.
This is time for us to change the affairs of the state. This is time for us to sharp the course of our children. Buying of vote is selling your right. And even how you are right, the man will go people. Before they are saying, I go on the guy to the car. I go on with a woman.
Ukachukwu reminded the group that it is very pertinent that old Nnewi block, Nnewi North, Nnewi South, Ihiel and Ekusigo also takes a shot at the seat of power in Anambra State, an ambition whose time is now. Ikukwama was re-energized spiritually as he was presented before God for guidance and proper direction towards the success of his political ambition.
Jonathan Baby is not Christy when you want. If you go see my children, I'm also.